Now let us look at this algebraic error and its correction. Now here you have the square root of the sum of two squares. Now you might want to say and take note, this is not equals to x plus a, because you assume that the square root of x squared is x and the square root of a squared is a. This is wrong. Now let's say for instance the square root of 3 raised to the power of 2 plus 4 raised to the power of 2. Now if we are to follow this error, it implies that this is 3 plus 4, which is what, 7. It might, now this is wrong. Now the right way to solve this, 3 raised to the power of 2 is 9, plus we have 16, because 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16, and when you add this you have 25, and the square root of 25 is 5. All right, so ensure that you don't commit this error. Thank you and God bless you.